Hi, I'm Fiona Springer, and I'm using Tagxedo and Screencast-O-Matic for my presentation. I pasted my writing for this assignment into Tagxedo to create the word cloud, and then I used Screencast-O-Matic to record the presentation. Chapter 8, Exercise 1A. Evaluation or research. After reading on the differences, I would classify my project as evaluation. Firstly, since I'm using my evaluation questions to collect information which the stakeholders can hopefully use to decide if to implement a view web conferencing tool as an instructional tool in the school. If my project were research, then I might be looking to add to understanding of web conferencing as an instructional tool and make generalizations from my findings. Furthermore, my project is not trying to show a cause and effect relationship, such as using web conferencing will lead to improved student performance. Instead, my focus is very specific: teacher perception of the merit of VUE for educational purposes. Subsequent evaluations of VUE may shift the focus on, for instance, technical support, cost, or hardware requirements to make implementation viable. Sampling. A sample of teachers will be drawn for this project. The teacher population of my school is 50, but given the constraint that the school year is ending, it is impractical to use all 50 as the text suggests. A stratified random sample will be used, with the possibility of applying a quota sample depending on the response rate. In the stratified sample, this focuses on specific areas within the total population, and my intention is to draw persons from subject departments within the school. For example, there's general studies, which covers history, geography, and social studies. The foreign language department covers French and Spanish. There's also science with chemistry, biology, and physics. And the business department is another area looking at principles of business, accounts, and information technology. So using these departments would allow me to get perceptions across varied curricula, so that if VUE is only perceived to be beneficial in a few subject areas, the decision may very well be not to implement it at this time. Quota sampling may have to be applied if I fail to get responses from some departments. Close to the end of the school year is a busy time, and if some staff are disinclined to take part in the program evaluation or to submit their survey results, then I will need to replace them with others from their department. If I can indeed substitute, say, a history teacher with another history teacher, then my sample is still representative of the population. However, if I have to substitute a history teacher with yet another science teacher, the results may be skewed a little. Nevertheless, I believe the evaluation questions are broad enough from an educational standpoint that the results can be applied in my evaluation process.